I think the key to vlogging is to re-say it like 8 times, and then when you go back through and edit it, you can just make it into something that is watchable. That's me on YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in my life video. Right now it is 8:30 and I'm just drinking some coffee while Ben's still sleeping. I usually wake up like 30 minutes before him, so I just have a cup of coffee and I think about what I'm gonna do today. Yesterday we decided we wanted to take a morning beach run because it would be nice and relaxing and it would kind of switch it up from our normal routes that we run around my neighborhood. We're gonna go to Siesta Key. That is my favorite beach ever. I bet there's gonna be a bunch of cute old people and hopefully we see dolphins. Who decided to get up at 9:30?
My stupid ass.
I've been up since 8:20.
When you woke up at 8:20, were you like, oh, I'm ready to go on a run? Or were you more like, oh, I'm ready to film a video?
I was like, I'm ready for coffee.
In the morning, I usually think about exactly what I'm gonna do.
I'll open my eyes at 8 and he's like, ready to go to Walmart? I'm like, this is today's breakfast. It's a banana phone. It's gonna give me some potassium before I run. We just finished our run. It's 81 degrees and it's almost 11. Ben died. We should get up earlier at like 8 to run or else we like die. Like my face, tomato. I'll check my Fitbit stats. I ran 2.16 miles in 21 minutes. We're gonna try and beat that. You guys can hold me accountable. And it's really hard running in sand. That makes it so much harder. I feel like my time would have been better if I wasn't like dodging sand dunes. I saw old people. I didn't find any dolphins. They are in quarantine. Now we're on our way back. I'm starving. I'm about to go in Walmart in a sports bra, so I put my hat on so no one knows who I am.
Oh my God, is that Amanda Bennett?
No, it's not me. For breakfast, I'm having banana pancakes, but I decided to try out a different recipe. So I found one on Pinterest and I got out all the ingredients. This one has milk, flour, cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla. I'm putting some blueberries in it, a banana, an egg, and salt. Something I learned in home ec is whenever there's little dots on the top of your pancake, that's when you know it's time to flip. And they were so right. Here's the official taste test. It's really hot.
Can I taste it too?
Sure, we can taste it together.
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Mmm, that's really good.
Very banana-y, very good.
Very banana-y.
And they said that the riper the banana, the better, but my banana wasn't even that ripe, so I bet it could be even better.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just finished making my banana pancakes and I chose the 2 prettiest ones so I can take a pretty photo for both Pinterest and my Fitbit app. I just use my iPhone. I take a photo. I think that looks really cute. I love the ring around it. I just ate and showered and now I'm so tired. It's pretty standard for me to take a nap at about 1 o'clock. I'm literally like a baby. Good morning, part 2. That was a much needed 30-minute nap. I kind of want some more caffeine, but I don't want another cup of coffee. I'm trying to limit myself. I've been trying to drink some tea. I'm gonna have my Hey Girl Energized tea. The flavor is citrus blossom and it's a energy and metabolism blend. I've done a couple of different collaborations with them, so I've gotten to try their teas and they're actually really good and you can find them on Amazon if you want to check those out.
Salmon, whole wheat pasta, tomato sauce, and green beans.
Yummy! Yes, Chef Benji. I've just been doing some online errands type things, like I had to do some stuff for school. I also had to deal with Zaful. I had the most terrible experience with them. I ordered clothes like a month ago. I accidentally typed in the wrong shipping information apparently. I really don't think I did though. And I contacted customer service. On the phone they said that they were going to give me a full refund and I was like, okay, cool. Nothing was happening. So I was messaging them and they said your package was destroyed during customs and you're not getting a refund and you're not getting your clothes. And I said, what? what kind of customer service is that? Long story short, I just had to call my bank and I got a full refund for my clothes, thank God. But I've learned my lesson, don't order from Zaful. Now I think I'm probably gonna go edit some photos and just hang out a bit. We decided to take a walk around Siesta Key Village because Ben's never been here before. We're at the hotel that my parents and I always stay at, so basically I'm a veteran here and I'm allowed to be here. So we're laying in this hammock.
And in 10 seconds we're gonna go get drinks.
No, we're not, because I'm 20.
She's gonna get a soda pop.
He's gonna get an alcoholic beverage. We just got back from Siesta Key and now I'm home and I'm really tired, so this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for spending a day in my life with me and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.